Okay everyone, it's been a while since I've done a video, and I've had some comments about, had one commenter say that he now cooks dinner for his boys, so I was trying to think of something simple, and I'm not going to cook in this video, but just a simple suggestion. I go to Sam's, and they have these, the salmon, or not salmon, flounder, it's wild Alaska flounder. And it's skinless, boneless fillets, and they come wrapped individually. And I make this for my family, and they seem to like it. And what I do is I get butter, leave it at room temperature so it's soft. And what I do is, however many pieces that I'm gonna cook, I lay out on the pan and I butter them. Now when you do that, the butter's going to almost like freeze and harden, but that's okay. So you butter every piece that you're going to use, and then I use this lemon pepper and put that on there. And the kids love it. The husband loves it. You know, it's great. And usually the kids like mac and cheese, so I'll make a box of mac and cheese and some green beans to go with it. You can open a can of green beans, and if you do, what I do is add a little bit of bacon grease, and it gives it a nice flavor. Drain most of the water out, but I usually buy the frozen green beans, and I will put the whole bag in a pot and put chicken broth over the top of them to cover it. Bring it to a boil, add some bacon grease, a little bit of salt and pepper for flavor, and just cook them until you're satisfied with their consistency. If you like them softer, cook them a little longer. If you like them al dente, then let them get a little, or turn them off before they're too soft. So that's just a suggestion. I hope it helps, and I'll try to get some more videos out soon, and hopefully next time I make this I'll get it on video. Talk to you later.